Hey guys, this looks a bit weird, but I'll deal with it. I'm gonna be playing a game I haven't played it in years. Just started recently playing it and bought it. And honestly, I wish for this game to succeed, not gonna lie. Even though barely anyone plays this game, um, we're gonna be playing Shotgun Farmers. I like this game. I don't know why, even though I hate FPS games now. Kind of. There's exceptions. It's like, I don't know. I just like this simple game. Even though barely anyone plays this game.
Get those punks off my lawn.
I don't know, for reasons? I mean, I wish for this game to succeed. By the way, I'm ass at this game.
Double kill.
And
Triple
even though it's
kill.
like very low, like bar to entry, what the hell's going on here? Is everyone? Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm playing with bots, so I could just do this.
Double kill.
So I feel like not a lot of people want to play this game
Here comes the crop saucer.
because of I don't know why does like. I mean, it's like $10. Anyone could buy it. I mean, it has a battle pass, but it's not like a paid thing. Why did I shoot the middle? But
Double kill.
I just wish for this game to succeed, man. Like, maybe you need like rework the whole thing. If you want it to be like free to play, maybe to get more people. I don't know. I just like this game. I don't know why. I really hate my sensitivity though. I really need to change it.
Double kill.
Ow. I'm just gonna keep hitting it on everyone. I don't care. Even though all y'all are bots. God damn it. I don't know why I like this game in particular. I mean, I remember playing it years ago with some friends and whatnot. Mostly the zombies mode.
Double kill.
And
I feel some rain coming on. Oh wait, no, that's just a crop
God
drop.
damn it. And I had fun. I beat the boss in that account. I don't know if I could merge accounts together in this game, but oh well. It was an old account on my Xbox. Don't ask.
Double kill.
Oh. And now I'm back to it. I played it for like a couple. You saw nothing. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I was recording Instagram. God damn it. Hey, I was recording an Instagram video. I forgot to turn that off, not gonna lie. And damn, that hit absolutely no one. You know what? I'm coming for you. You don't see me because you're a bot. You don't know. I keep thinking I have more range than I do. I don't know why. Developers, if you're listening to me, please put a TV head. It doesn't matter. God damn! That took forever just to kill one person. I don't know. This is like somewhat unique because you could regrow your
Only
gun.
a minute left. Here comes the crop saucer.
Don't talk about that aim. Don't talk about any of my aim. We don't pretend you didn't say anything. There was nothing. But yeah.
Double kill.
There we go.
Triple kill.
Like if I do get popular, I will show this
Good
game.
as milking it.
I just wish for more people to play it. Who knows? Maybe like needs a whole rework on their whole system, foundation, and whatnot. Or like more people play it. Like, for God's sake, free to play. But they didn't even make money also, so.
Double kill. Triple kill.
I don't know. Like, it's already at a very low bar of entry, so.
Victory.
Oh, I did. I just feel like this game could succeed, but I don't know why it hasn't. You know what? We're Halo. Finally, West Side. I mean, it's quick, fast-paced, chaotic. I don't know, maybe add more game modes. Like, I know you have Crop Hunt, even though you barely have any players. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Excuse me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get those whippersnappers.
Oh yeah, I can get a gnome.
Gnome secured.
Hey, I need the XP, bro. Hey, how are you? You know I'm gonna hit you.
First blood.
You know what?
Double kill. Triple kill.
Like, I like this game. I wish more people could play that game. But barely anyone does. Like, I don't know. How come a pillar hold a whole rocket launcher? God die!
Double kill.
Hi there, how are you? My next victim. See this movie? I died to Jorts. Yeah. God damn.
Drop incoming.
Yeah, I didn't notice. Don't expect the unexpected? I don't know. I'm stupid at talking. I'm surprised people even watch me. Like, why do y'all watch me? Because I suck at talking to people. I'm an introvert trying to be an extrovert. But I just suck at talking in general. I don't know. If I am able to stream, I would definitely be streaming this game though. Because okay, you know what? F this. I'm coming for you, booty. Okay, that's it. I don't know. Oh, come on. That looked like it would have hit. At that point, I just had to hit the floor. I will try to see if he guessed.
Well, Daniel really is a plane this time. Double kill.
Trying to figure it out. I mean, it is still getting updates, which I do like.
Well, Daniel really is a plane this time.
Why does it still get updates? Like, I'm fine with updates. It's just that we don't talk about that.
The crop drop is here.
But does it look like it's sustainable? I don't know. I just want to help the game. Not gonna lie, because I like this game. And also, the first time I heard of this game was because of the Vandals crew, so. Yeah. I mean, their skins are in the game, which I appreciate. It's nice. Hell, they have, like, some YouTubers in this game. Aside from Velasco, like exploding, I think that's his name. From what I've seen, he's a nice fellow. Don't talk about the name.
Double kill.
I mean, yeah, just not much I could say about this game. It's just, I like it. I wish it got more attention. Maybe he needs to rework on his foundation, but I don't know. I'm not a person that make games. I make crappy opinions sometimes. Okay, guys. Fuck me. Give me your gun. Damn it. Plus, I feel like a noob in this game, even though there's way better people than me. I cannot. I don't know. There's like a limit. Oh, I forgot I can melee. If I face against players, eventually I'll get better, but I'm facing against mostly bots. And which basically lets me hit my limit how to play this game. But as soon as I fight against players, I like lose basically. Lamarcus? Is that his name? Give me your gun. Give me your gun.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it's a crop drop.
Double kill.
I wonder if he's still gonna continue updating this game. If not, I don't know. His choice. Oh, god damn! Don't look at me like that.
Double kill.
Also, where the hell's the music?
Here comes the crop duster.
Here comes the crop duster. Oh, there's a guy that I face against sometimes. He's very good at this game. Like, look at him. Pretty sure he just joined. He's already being in his ass.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Like, it doesn't feel like a hard game because of the bots. Even though I know it could be hard as hell. I don't know. I'm just talking to myself mostly.
Double kill.
God damn! Corpse launcher the sentry. I forgot it's a sticky mug. I don't know. What can I say about this game? Oh, I got over hit him. Hi, how are you? My name is Grayson. Would you like to... I'll talk about any of that, what I just did.
I feel some rain coming on. Oh, wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Also, what the hell did he get to... Did he have to do to get that, of all things? That's what I want to know. Drop, suck my... Yep. Oh, yeah. See? If I face against anyone else, they're like gods of this game.
Double kill.
I need to switch my weapon.
Triple kill.
Oh, somehow that hits him.
Milking it.
I'm milking it, guys.
Utterly ridiculous.
I'm milking all this content for shotgun farmers.
Hey, extraordinary.
Extraordinary. That's all I am. Even though those were all bots except one. Maybe I just shouldn't aim. Except for like ARs and such. God, okay, maybe I should aim. That was awful.
Double kill.
God damn, fight me like a real man. Don't fight me like a real man.
Better hurry. Only a minute left. Here comes the crop
I thought he was
duster.
gonna kill me, not gonna lie. That's it.
Double kill.
Hey, Keela. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bob. I'm sorry.
Drop, drop,
I'm ass, but I'm
incoming.
sorry.
30 seconds left.
I hate this bow. For the life of me. I don't know why. I just suck at using bows. See? 15 seconds! Five, four,
Victory!
somehow I won. I don't know why. I feel like I shouldn't have won that. Not gonna lie. It was a good beat. Let's go. We got a sand asparagus. Alright. Yeah, I'll leave this as a short video. So, anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your time. Peace.